Hi Aggies, it's National Hispanic Heritage Month, a time to celebrate our rich diversity. Between September 15th and October 15th, we recognize the contributions of our notable Latinx scholars who have paved the way for our students and campus community. Some notable Latinx alumni include Ana Escobedo Cabral, class of 1987, who served as the 42nd Treasurer of the United States. Former California Assembly member Luis Alejo earned his JD at our UC Davis School of Law. And the late Cruz Reynoso, the first Latino California Supreme Court Justice, was a UC Davis law professor. I'm joined by Daisy Martinez, the Associate Director of the Center for Chicanx and Latinx Academic Student Success, commonly known as El Centro. The center focuses on providing holistic and culturally informed academic support and resources to Chicanx and Latinx students at UC Davis.
Thank you, Chancellor May. Here on the UC Davis campus, we refer to this time as Latinx Heritage Month. We recently changed the name from Hispanic Heritage Month to Latinx Heritage Month based on the UC Davis Chicanx Latinx student feedback and to also foster a sense of unity and inclusivity among all Latinx people. By adopting Latinx Heritage Month, we intend to create a more universally accessible celebration that honors all Latinx individuals' rich and diverse history. UC Davis serves more than 7,000 Latinx students, which is the second highest in the entire UC system.
In these coming days, I encourage everyone to reflect on and celebrate the contributions of the Latinx community to our campus, our state, and beyond.
El Centro has many events planned, not only for this Heritage Month, but throughout the academic year. You can learn more about us at our annual celebration and open house on September 26th from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. at El Centro, located on the second floor of the Memorial Union. It's an opportunity for new and returning students to learn about the services, resources, and opportunities we offer throughout the entire school year. All UC Davis campus partners and staff are also invited, so please join us.
We value the Latinx community and their significant contributions to making our campus thrive. I encourage everyone to engage in this month's campus activities to honor and celebrate the diversity of the Latinx community. Here's to a wonderful Latinx Heritage Month. Vamos, Aggies!